you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright guys, we're back with another one. This time, yesterday I was having some issues with it starting up. I'm not sure what it was. We got the, it wouldn't start up for some reason. I still don't know what it was. But I still got the dash and stuff apart. And so y'all bear with me with that. Because I'm probably going to have to change the ignition plug on the bottom. And I had to fix these door jams right here. The little boot was off. For some reason, I guess it's already been off. One of my water was getting in. So I'm just thinking that's what it could be. I'm not for sure if that's what it is or not. But hopefully that fixed my issue. And with the water issue, it was like that on the passenger side and the driver's side. I still got wires. I had ran some wires to try to test something out to see if I had a issue with something else. The reason why it wasn't starting, so I got to fix all of that up there. I hadn't really figured out what it is, but hopefully everything works. I'm not for sure if it'll work or not right this time, because it's like it just come and go, blow my ignition fuse under the hood, and then one day it works and one day it doesn't after I change it out. But hopefully I'll be good. But I'm gonna try to get to the bottom there and swap some stuff out. So let me get, matter of fact, I need to plug this charger up. Let me get my cable right quick. Plug my charger up. Yeah, bear with me. I'm all over the place with the camera. Okay. So, of course, y'all know, if y'all been following the channel, y'all know we got the 24 Sundown LCS 10s, version 2s. We got 24 of those, dual 4 ohm. I'm gonna try to play it for y'all, so y'all bear with me. Y'all give me a chance. Let me get my charger going right quick. Okay. Y'all give me just a minute. I'm trying to get my charger on. Alright. Let me go over here and try to get this started. Got to get this piece right here. We had to kind of rig it up because it was messing up. So we're gonna try to work that out. Y'all give me this, man. I'll be right back. Alright guys, as I explained to y'all, this fuse right here keep blowing. It went again just then. I tried to start it up, so I'll just be able to play it a little bit without it being started. So we're gonna do what we can. So it's the ignition B switch right there, B fuse. So we're gonna go ahead with what we got, and we'll get that worked out a little later. I'm not really for sure the deal on it, but I think I know what it is, so I'm gonna get that fixed. Of course, I told y'all I got my dash apart. As y'all can see, I had some stuff running down through there in the dash to try to figure out, jump some wires over to see what the issue was, but I guess that's neither here nor there. So we're gonna, I don't know what's going on with my charge. I guess the thing done jumped in the house or something. I don't know what's going on. The breaker or whatever it is, because I gotta get another cable, or not another outlet thing to go outside. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I'm gonna let the bass come in first, and then I'm gonna then I try to for somebody to say, well, it's out of phase. I'm gonna go ahead and on the camera it don't really show good when it's out of phase. I mean, it's actually in phase or whatever you want to call it. So it's not out of phase. That's just what it does, you know. But I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna have to change this fuse out right quick. But I know somebody say it's out of phase, but you know, that's not what's going on. All right. Okay. It's a mess in here, boy. It's tight. It's a tight fit though, so I ain't really expecting much. Okay. We ain't got no wires heating up or nothing, so we good on that. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and change this fuse out right quick. Seems like it's always something, man. Yeah, man, like I said, it's always something. Get that fuse out of there. I don't know why it didn't crank, really, to tell you the truth. But I'm hoping it's not the starter, but I'm just gonna go with the cheapest thing first, which would be that fuse off of not the fuse, but this thing off of Amazon. I'm gonna do all this with one hand. Okay. Get that one. For now, I'll just put that one back later. Okay, I'm good. There's 40 in now. Okay. I don't know what the deal was on that, why I even did it, but I know it's got to be something probably with that switch though, because I seen a couple people online was telling me about it, but and they seemed like they were pretty knowledgeable about what was going on, so maybe that's what it was. Then I gotta, once I see, I might as well just keep it. Hold on, let me get situated. I might as well just keep it apart in here until I get everything done. I gotta change this ignition switch, not the cylinder, but where the key go, but just a switch under the bottom, because when that fuse blows, it won't even let me let the windows down or nothing. So I'm probably thinking I'm gonna go with that's probably what the deal is. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna, what else I gotta do? I gotta change my turn signal. Is messed up, so I gotta take the housing, the rest of the housing off the top of the thing, so I can do that. So I can take the take that panel off, and then take that switch out, take the whole switch off of there and do that, and take the bolts out, replace that. It's kind of a mess in here, but like I said, everything back here working good, so you know that's good. But it seems like as soon as I get that done, then something else go on. So, which I already kind of hit this issue anyway. It just kind of you know, I just really didn't know what it was. I didn't know the fuse blowing until like one day I was trying to move the vehicle around and it wouldn't jump off for some reason. I thought the battery was dead. But hopefully once I fix this problem up under the steering column here, that'll get me running, you know, like I need to be. So I'm maybe that was draining my battery the whole time. My battery kept going dead all the time, just out of the blue. So yeah, you know, like I said, everything is working in the back. So we're gonna guess I ain't got much to talk about, man, on this video, just other than trying to work this out. I just didn't want to leave y'all in the cold about what I had going on. I said everything back there working, man. But if y'all seen some other videos, I got some videos and clips and stuff of it playing. Y'all can like those, share those videos. Y'all seen it actually playing. I've actually had some music playing a little bit longer probably on some of those than now, because I don't even have the battery charger going. So y'all hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.